अगर आपको लगता है रील्स देखने से सिर्फ आपका टाइम वेस्ट होता है, देन यू नो ओनली हाफ द स्टोरी। फ्रंटियर्स इन न्यूरोसाइंस ने एक रिसर्च स्टडी रिवील की थी जिसके रिजल्ट्स आर वेरी शॉकिंग। दिस स्टडी वाज डन ऑन पीपल जिन्हें रील्स का एडिक्शन है। एक ईईजी मशीन के थ्रू उनकी ब्रेन एक्टिविटी मैप की गई थी। एंड गेस उन्हें क्या मिला? उनका जो प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स था, द पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन जहां पे हमारे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस होते हैं, जैसे डिसीजन मेकिंग, प्लानिंग, मेमोरी, इम्पल्स कंट्रोल, वो हिस्सा कमजोर हो रहा था। सो दैट 5 minutes, just 5 minutes more वाला फीलिंग, that feeling is not you not having any discipline or self control. That is a genuine struggle by your brain because it's in the loop of being addicted to these short reels. Study में पता चला that all these people who had the short form video content addiction were also showing very low self control. So, what does this mean in a simple language? That the more reels you watch, the more you lose your self control. Right? It's not a problem of discipline. It's a problem जहाँ पे आपका brain rewire हो चुका है and it craves these short form videos more and more. Additionally, when these people were subjected to attention tests, it was found that उनका attention span भी कम होता गया. That means the ability to focus on a task भी कम होती जा रही थी. Now imagine this is a part of your brain that is responsible for making decisions. That this is the part of the brain that is actually supposed to tell you when to stop. And now this is the part of the brain which is getting rewired. When your prefrontal cortex starts to get weaker, how does it impact your real life? Imagine you're sitting in a meeting and your boss is explaining something important, but आपका दिमाग वहां पे है ही नहीं, आप कुछ और सोच रहे हैं. Imagine that you decided, I'm going to be on my new health plan very, very strictly. And within 2 days, you find yourself cheating and losing self-control. Imagine you going off to sleep at night ये सोच के कि आज मैं सिर्फ 2 reels देखूंगी and I'm going to sleep on time. And देखते देखते you realize that you've spent hours and hours on the reel and it's already past midnight. All these things are not random, they are very connected. With your prefrontal cortex now not having the ability to do its functions, you will realize that your entire life changes. It impacts your relationships, it impacts your academics, आपकी पढ़ाई, आपके रिश्ते, आपकी सेहत. Everything gets impacted. I'm going to tell you 5 steps. उन्हें use कीजिए consistently to actually reverse this addiction problem. Step 1. Set a time limit on your phone usage. उन apps को physically block कीजिए. Do not rely upon your willpower because the willpower is already weak. Improve your boredom tolerance. Lift में खड़े हैं, queue में खड़े हैं, don't immediately reach out for your phone. Let your brain get bored. Do the deep work in slots. 20-25 minutes focus work कीजिए. Take a 5-minute break in between. Use this Pomodoro technique to help your brain learn how to focus back again. Instead of using the reels for your dopamine hit, use healthier options. Journal, listen to music, go for a walk, go for your workouts. Track your attention span. कितनी देर आप बिना फोन के रह सकते हैं? Measure it and then keep increasing this time limit. This will not happen overnight. Give yourself a target of 21 days and do it consistently. There is enough research जो दिखाता है that your brain has the ability to rewire itself. I'm Dr. Bhavna Gautam, and I want to tell you that your brain is not broken. It is just hijacked. So take it back.